Hey guys, Hayden here again from Alarm System Store, and today we're going to be talking about the newest Alarm.com camera edition, and that is the ADC V729. Now, this particular model is the 729AC. There's actually 3 different versions of this particular camera, and we'll go over that in a few minutes. But essentially, this model here is actually powered with AC wiring. So that would be like the 120 volt wiring you have in your home already. You can tie this in anywhere that you have 120 volt wiring, and it'll get power, and it uses Wi-Fi to connect to your internet. The other 2 models are a bit different. They kind of stick to the old school Alarm.com methods, where you can use hardwired PoE, or you can use a power adapter for 12 volt power and a Wi-Fi connection. So give me just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and get this out. It's a little bit wieldy, so I'm just going to skip to having all the components out, and we'll start talking about it. Alright, so this is everything you get with the ADC 729. As you can see, this camera is very different from most of the Alarm.com cameras that are out. This is actually a floodlight camera. These 2 very bright lights on top are 3000 lumen floodlights that come on anytime the camera is triggered. I'm pretty sure you have a little bit more control over it. I have not hooked this up yet though, so I'm not exactly sure what's all controllable through the Alarm.com app. However, there are a lot of features that this camera offers that a lot of the other Alarm.com cameras out there do not, so we'll go over all those in just a minute. Let me get through the rest of the items. Basically, this is just a bag of screws and wire nuts. It does come with a ground wire. That's going to come with any of the AC models. You also get these 2 mounting plates. This particular model actually has to be set up or installed on a gang box. I believe the PoE version and the 12 volt adapter version can be installed on a regular wall. However, it is always advised to set one of these up on a gang box because it is quite heavy. So if you just put it up on a regular wall, the wall might not be able to take it over time. So if you do decide you want to install it on just a regular wall somewhere, make sure you're hitting studs with your screws and you can secure it very well. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get into the features of the camera. So like I mentioned, you get 2 of these 3000 lumen lights. This particular camera is a 4 megapixel camera. That's pretty much double what you get with most Alarm.com cameras. Most of them are 2 megapixel. This one is a 4 megapixel. It has a little motion sensor right here, and that's actually going to trigger both the camera as well as the floodlights if needed. This camera also supports 2-way audio, so it has a microphone and a speaker that you can speak through and hear through the app or computer portal. And in addition to all that, this actually has 2 lights. I can't really show them on the camera, but there's 2 lights on the back of the camera right here that actually flash a red and blue warning light anytime the camera is triggered. You can obviously set that however you wish. You don't have to have that option going, but it is there as a very noticeable alert that somebody is in the wrong place and that they should probably leave. So like I mentioned, this camera is the AC model. The other 2 are, they come with all the same features, however, the installation style is the only difference. So all 3 models of this camera come with everything I just listed. However, if you are going to use the AC version, just know that AC wiring is very hazardous, so please don't do so unless you know what you're doing. Make sure the power's off, make sure your connections are snug and you don't have any loose wires or anything. You don't want to happen to burn your house down just trying to install a camera, you know. But this option is great for those that already have installed like motion sensor security lights. I know security lights are very popular, and most of them are set up on AC wiring. So you could literally just swap out your existing security light with this camera if need be. And in that scenario, you would already have a gang box ready. You'd have the wiring already there. You wouldn't really have to worry about much. Just pop the old light off, put this camera on, and you're good to go. The other 2 options, like I mentioned, are hardwired PoE and 12 volt adapter along with Wi-Fi. So you do have plenty of options on where you can place this. If it's easier for you to run Ethernet cable to a specific location where you would like this camera, you can do so. However, with having multiple installation methods, you can pretty much set one of these up wherever you might need it. So it can be a very handy camera. Now, I do think this kind of looks a little bit funny with the, the floodlight on there. Kind of looks like a Mickey Mouse camera. However, this is a very feature robust model, and it provides a lot of use case scenarios. So if you guys are interested in this, we are carrying this model on alarmsystemstore.com. Currently, we only have the AC model because most of the time, if you're going to be setting up a floodlight, you're going to, like I said, be putting it in place of an existing security light or whatever the case might be. The AC wiring gives a lot of options, whereas the power over Ethernet and the 12-volt adapter can be a little bit harder to set up in some cases. So anywhere outdoors, this is going to be a great addition to your alarm.com camera lineup. This does also have an SD card slot, so if you would like to do onboard recording, or if you have that set up for all your cameras already, this one is able to support that as well, so you will have recording capabilities. But like I said, this is the ADC 729 from alarm.com. We do have the 729AC at alarmsystemstore.com, which I'll link you to below. Since that is the most popular of the model choices, that's the one we have listed. However, if you guys do want the PoE version or the other 12-volt option for Wi-Fi, we can accommodate that. We just don't currently have them listed, so just let us know what you're looking for. If this fits your needs, you can just purchase it right from the website. If you need one of the others, just send us a message and we will get you what you want. So, like I said, this is the ADC 729, a very feature-rich and robust model that just recently dropped. So go check them out if you're interested in it at all. We have all of the information, all the specs, installation manuals, whatever you might need to get yourself set up with one of these at alarmsystemstore.com. So that's going to do it for me. If you guys don't mind, give us a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in this or any other alarm.com products, head over to alarmsystemstore.com. We have the service. We have all the cameras that you could want. We recently added a new SVR to the lineup, along with the CSVRs that we've had for a few months now. So pretty much anything you could need alarm.com, we have you covered. So just reach out to us and let us know what you're looking for. Otherwise, I will catch you guys on the next one.